everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I will be teaching you how to create this acrylic glitter keychain. If you have not caught the video on how I created this silicone keychain to match, you can go ahead and check that out in my description box below. It will be listed. Now on my previous video I did create this purple one for a Kamari version of Hello Kitty. That's what we'll actually be creating in Cricut Design Space today, an acrylic keychain for my other niece to go with her purple silicone keychain. So let's go ahead and hop in there and create her keychain. All right, so we're in Cricut Design Space, and what we're going to do first is we're going to open up your canvas, or you would actually click on New Project in your case. A new project. You would upload the image that you're looking for. In this case, it would be the Kamari Hello Kitty. I would select, but if it's already pre-uploaded, but if it is not pre-uploaded, you would click Upload Image, drag and drop your image in, and then there's your picture. But since I already have a canvas open, we're just going to delete that, and I'm going to just go to my stuff and open up what I currently have, which is this one right here. And we're going to hit customize, replace. All right, so how I created the shape, now my key ring or acrylic keychain is 2 inches by 2 inches, and you would just go over to shapes and click on the circle. It will default to 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. Come on. And then we're going to go ahead and create the text. Now, the text I am using is called Saturday. You can go through the text fonts and figure out which font best suits your needs or for the person you're creating your keychain for. I like this font. It's very clear. Now, for the Hello Kitty one, I did use, I want to say the heart style, but I like this style for her. Now for this one, I did contour it. There was some things on there that I didn't want, like these little dots here. I took those out. I just made sure that there's nothing there that's going to distort the image at all. And I just made sure that it's going to fit directly, because you got to remember that your keyhole is going to be right up here, or keyhole, your keychain hole is going to be right here. So just make sure the picture is kind of centered, and then you're going to put, you know, her name over it. I really don't want to hide the face. Let me see how I want to do this. You know what I might do? I might... don't need that anymore. Oh, and then this image is a basic cut because I'm using a permanent excuse me, a permanent vinyl, and for this one is a basic cut as well. It's going to be white. So now we're going to hit make it. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to mirror it. I'm going to show you once I have everything printed out. So I use the premium vinyl permanent glossy, and I always take my pressure to more. It gives me the right enough, you know, the perfect pressure so that I don't have to mess up the cut. Like, it weeds perfectly when I do it this way. But you can always find your little sweet spot when it comes to your Cricut. I am using the Cricut Explorer 3. So let me go ahead and jump over and start cutting out my my vinyl. Okay, so for the vinyl, I'm going to use the Make Market brand, which is like Michael's brand. Now, I've used these before, and I haven't had any issues. This is the permanent vinyl, 12 by 48 inches. And I believe they were around like $7.99 a piece. So I'm not going to need a lot of this. Ooh, these letters don't weed as easy as... I was just giving you your props. Make, what is it? Make market shit. Just give me your props, make market, and you done, just to get the letters out. Give me a hard time. Now I'm gonna get some transfer paper. This is what I'm using. Tear that off. Tear that off. I do have my silicone mat when I'm dealing with resin. So let me just put you guys back up there. Keychain. I don't know if I want to use mica powder or not. I may try it. Let's try it. I haven't used it yet. So let's just try it out. See if I can find a color to match the theme. I may have to cure my resin a little bit longer because when you add glitter and mica powder and stuff like that. Oh, Lord, be careful, Jesus. Let's see what colors we have. That's Magic Violet, which that's pretty. That'll match perfectly. So we're gonna go with this color. Have my little cup. Have my resin. Have my UV lamp. I'm going to do, kind of coming up with these designs as I'm creating the video. So sometimes the vision comes to you on the fly. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do a mica resin first. Once I get that cured, I'm going to lay on top. Then I'm going to add a glitter. I might add the glitter in with the mica powder. I'm not sure if I want to do a I don't know what I want to do, but let's just figure it out as we go. After this, let's add the resin first. I just need a really, really thin coat, so I'm not going to add that much. Maybe like right there. Starting off, we're going to add a little bit of mica powder. Let's do I feel like that's too much. Let's try that first. It's pretty. So I feel like that is enough. It only takes a little bit. So I have multiple purples. I have this one, this one. This is just the fine glitter, and then these flakes. Let's do that one. I'll put these to the side. And let's start with this side. So add this resin on there. Okay, I'm gonna cure this. I cured it twice, which was around 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can tell, it's completely, I really like that. It's pretty. I'm gonna add another clear coat to kind of make it a little bit look a little smoother. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little Kamari right on top. Coat over just like that. And right on in the middle. Take my time and spread you on out. All right. So now we're going to make our glitter resin. This is the glitter that I chose. So add a good little bead in there. Yeah. It's kind of giving off a bluish, I guess, the aqua instead of like purple, but it's that's completely, it's a little bubble right there, but I'm gonna seal it again after. I see it like right here, but I'm gonna seal it again after I put the name on top, so that'll kind of clear up that little bubble right there. So then I'm gonna add her name, and then I'm going to seal it with just some clear resin. Just want to make sure it's a nice thick layer to kind of cover up that bubble I made. This for about 5 minutes. Ooh, I know I made a mess, you guys, but it is completed. Let's see. Definitely gonna have to do the other side. I have to do this side real quick. All right, so that concludes the video. There is the back and there is the front. Now I'm gonna make some resin letters to go on the keychain, and that will be on a different video as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you're notified on when I upload my next video. I'll talk to you guys later.